What's going on, my friends? Recently I had a big problem and I needed to change or replace my original airbox. But don't go anywhere because I'm going to tell you why. So I just upgraded my steering to full hydro with this PSC steering kit. And I needed to change or replace a few things. One of them was the steering box, another was the steering pump, and also I needed to place this steering reservoir. And with the original airbox I didn't have enough space because it was like for here, so I needed to change also the intake or get an intake, and Ripp supercharger was a great option because as you can see I still have plenty of room to basically do anything. And the best thing about this intake is that I still have space or a chance to do a snorkel conversion, and it also get the air from here. So you can see it is a really good design and it looks totally awesome. So the installation is really easy, guys, and I really like this intake because you can use it as an intake, and later if you need a snorkel you can basically add it without having to get another intake system, of course. So of course the first thing you're going to need is to pop the hood, and then of course remove that engine cover. And now with a flathead screwdriver remove a clamp from the intake manifold. And then you can also unplug the sensor that is going to be under the clamp. You're also going to need to remove these two screws, and they are 10 millimeters. You're going to have 3 clamps on the airbox that you're going to need to remove, and you can do this using your hand. No tools are necessary to do this. And now unplug this hose by just pulling it. Now to remove the remaining part of the airbox, just pull it and it's going to come out really easy. And this is what you are going to receive inside the box. So this is the only part that we're going to be reusing, and just get a flathead screwdriver and pull out that tab. So after that, just use the sensor and just push it in place. Que yo sepa, no. And now you can start adding all the components. And now you can insert the hose back. And I also forgot to mention this part, guys, this clamp here, and you can basically put it there or here, but I prefer putting it here because I have like more space here. Let me just show you. You can easily move it here, but I guess I'm not going to have enough clearance here, and when the engine start moving, shaking or something, I don't want it to touch here, so I prefer putting it here. I'm going to have a lot of space now, as you can see. But this is basically it, guys. As always, I hope this video can help you install your Ripp intake, and I'm going to include a link on the description below for you to get it in case you haven't bought it yet. But this is everything we have for today, guys. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe if you like this type of videos. As always, see you in the next one.